Good morning, students. Today we will see about adolescent pregnancy. Adolescent pregnancy continues to be an important social issue. In recent years, there has been increased interest in and concern about problems of adolescent pregnancy and parenthood because adolescent parenthood is epidemic among our teenagers that is spreading out of control. Adolescent pregnancy can be defined as a teenage or underage girl, usually between 13 to 19 years old, becoming pregnant. Teenage pregnancy is formally defined as a pregnancy in a young woman who has not reached her 20th birthday when the pregnancy ends, regardless of whether the woman is married or legally an adult. Teen pregnancy is usually understood to occur in a teenager who has not completed her core education, secondary school, has few or no marketable skills, is financially dependent upon her parents and or continues to live at a home and is often mentally immature. This is a definition given by the medical dictionary. Pregnancy is a big social issue of a social problem that calls for more education and support to encourage girls to delay motherhood until they are ready. Pregnancy in adolescence interrupts the work on identity formation and developmental tasks. It is not the primary prevention teaching regarding sexuality and comprehensive health care to the adolescents. Secondary prevention accessible contraceptive service for sexually active teenagers. Tertiary prevention is include all easily accessible prenatal care, family planning and follow-up care for the infants. Studies have found that between 11 and 20% of pregnancies in teenagers are directly the result of rape, while about 60% of teenage mothers want unwanted sexual experience preceding their pregnancy. Premarital pregnancy and childbearing occur to a minority of adolescents and carry social disapproval. They generally qualify as a deviant behaviors. Unmarried adolescent mothers are likely to experience social uh, ostracism and financial difficulties. The ultimate cause of an adolescent pregnancy is unprotected sex. The sexually active teenager who does not use contraception has a 90% chance of becoming pregnant within 1 year. Early dating behavior, adolescent sexual behavior which may also influenced by alcohol and drugs, high-risk behaviors like smoking, alcohol and substance abuse, lack of support group, peer pressure to engage in sexual activity. Life may be difficult for an adolescent mother and her child. Adolescent mothers are more likely to drop out of education institution than the girls who delay childbearing. With her education come short, a teenage mother may lack job skills, making it hard for her to find and keep a job. Teenage mother may become financially dependent on her family or public assistance. Teen mothers are more likely to live in poverty than women who delay childbearing. Pregnancy is a challenge for any female's life regardless of the circumstances. However, adolescent the crisis is greatly intensified because it adds another level of complexity to an already complex period of physical and emotional change. The risk factors or reasons associated with a teenage pregnancy include low socioeconomic status, ethnic minority status, growing up in a single parent household, low educational achievement, low occupational aspirations, growing in neighborhood characterized by a high incidence of all these factors associated with social issues. Developmental task of the pregnancy, accepting the biological reality of the pregnancy, accepting the reality of unborn child, accepting the reality of parenthood. Risk and consequence of pregnancy during the teenage include hypertensive disorders, anemia, poor weight gain, HIV infection, other STDs, iron deficiency, growth during the pregnancy, increased risk of cephalopelvic disproportion. During labor, cephalopelvic disproportion and prolonged labor, postpartum hemorrhage, inability to adapt postpartally, increased operative interference. Risk for medical complications are greater for the girls of 14 years of age and younger as an underdeveloped pelvis can lead to difficulties of childbirth. Young women under 20 face a higher risk for obstetrical labor which if a cesarean section is not available can cause obstetric fistula, a tear in the birth canal that creates leakage of urine or feces. At least 2 million of the world's poorest women live with the fistulas. Complications during pregnancy and delivery are leading cause of death for girls aged 15 to 19 in developing countries. They are twice as likely to die in childbirth as women in their 20s. Teenage girls account for 14% of the estimated 20 million unsafe abortions performed each year, which result around 68,000 deaths. Single motherhood is associated with causes mentioned earlier, and it can be overwhelming when the infant is born prematurely, the financial, emotional, and her extended family to deal with. It is further complicated with society's attitude towards the teenage unwed mothers. They experience isolation, guilt accompanied by stress and depression, low self-esteem, resulting in lack of interest in studies, limited job prospects, and lack of support group. Health-wise, teenage mothers have much higher risk for anemia, pregnancy-induced hypertension, genital tract infection which may lead to premature labor and delivery, cesarean section because of prematurity, extra large baby, fetal distress and sudden infant death syndrome. The major complications in young mothers are thought to be high blood pressure, iron deficiency anemia, disproportionate birth and low birth weight babies. Similarly, infants born to such teenage mothers are at a high risk for complications of prematurity, low birth weight, accidental trauma and poisoning, minor acute infections, lack of immunization or vaccinations, and development delays. Pregnancy at a very young age, especially in unwanted one, leads to a severe emotional and mental trauma for the girl. Hence, the first and foremost line of defense are the programs that are effective in delaying attempts for sexual activities. Parents, schools, social workers, and healthcare professionals can have open, honest, and educational talks with teenagers and preteens. They also provide advice to teenagers about how to prevent unwanted teenage pregnancy. Some interventions have focused solely on education and some on getting adolescents to abstain from coital activity, whereas others have concentrated on teaching cognitive and interpersonal skills, which is thought to decrease the chance of youth pregnancy. Outcome of pregnancy, preterm birth, small for gestation age, prenatal and infant mortality rate, maternal mortality and morbidity, anemia, malnutrition, preeclampsia and eclampsia. Problems of the infant include preterm and low birth weight, RBS, tetanus, seizures, apnea, nutrition, necrotizing enterocolitis, hypoglycemia, pneumonia. Long-term perspectives, poor nutritional status, psychological development affected, language development is affected. Ways to improve the outcome of adolescent pregnancy include antenatal care, standards and values of antenatal care, obstetric risk assessment, care during labor include observation of the laboring woman and monitoring the fetal condition, both physical and emotional well-being, adequate support system. Postpartum care include breastfeeding, nutrition, extra coloring during lactation, use of iodized salt, giving high dose of vitamin A. Nursing diagnosis, antepartum body image disturbance related to lack of knowledge regarding pregnancy changes, knowledge deficit regarding to STDs, fertility and conception, nutrition needs of mother and fetus during pregnancy and infant growth, high risk for pregnancy complications related to unsafe sexual practice and non-compliance, high risk for fetal injury related to inadequate placental perfusion secondary to preeclampsia, altered health maintenance related to socioeconomic status, intrapartum anxiety or ineffective individual coping related to inadequate knowledge of labor and birth process, lack of support from the significant others, situational low esteem related to perception of performance during labor and judgmental attitude of others, pain related to inadequate knowledge of self-care activities, impaired communication related to age difference between her and the healthcare providers. Altered nutrition and body requirement related to lack of knowledge of adequate nutrition and availability of foods. Body image disturbance related to pregnancy, weight and altered body dimensions. So in conclusion, all parties including parents, school, social workers, government as well as the individual should do their parts in order to prevent adolescent pregnancy from being serious life and death issue. Besides that, community also need to play their roles in handling and preventing the issue from becoming a big social problem, especially among those unmarried couple facing unplanned pregnancy. However, with proper guidance and counseling, the issue of unplanned pregnancy among unmarried couple can be avoided. 50 years now, it will be not mean as what kind of car you drove, what kind of house you lived in, how much you have had in your bank account, or what the clothes you look like. But the world may be little better because you are important in the life of a child.